Guys, remember, I used to think that Ma Khumalo and Ma Mthethwa worked together. No. Ma Khumalo says that she worked with Babu Ntini and Ma Mthethwa worked in another place or at another place. So Mamu Mthethwa used to come at Babu Ntini's office and see the little girl that worked with Babu Ntini. So it can't be that Mamu Mthethwa was doing the books with the little girl for the company, because which company was that? They were not working together. Mamu Mthethwa and Ma Khumalo were not working together. That's what they said on the show. Ma Khumalo is the one that clarified that. She said they did not work together. It's not like the situation of Ma Khumalo and Macele. Remember when the show began years ago, Ma Khumalo and Macele worked together at Umdlalo Lodge. Remember Umdlalo Lodge? Ma Khumalo did the financial books, and Macele did the events for Umdlalo Lodge. I think that's what they said at the beginning. And Macele one day woke up and was like, angiye emsebenzini. Nkosi yami nami yazi ngathi ngasho njalo kulo msebenzi wami nami. Nami ngeke ngivuke nje ngisiyazi ngathi angiyi emsebenzini. So uMacele one day she woke up was angiyi emsebenzini, and Ma Khumalo is like, how? Where's our events planner? The events planner never showed up. The events planner never handed in the resignation. And the company director came in and said, the events organizer uthi akasafuna ukusebenza. The accountant is like, how? Kanjalo nje. So they never even did the farewell for her. Anyway, that's a video for another day. But concerning this comment here, basically this viewer was saying maybe that's the reason Ma Mthethwa was there at 6 a.m. in the morning for them to work on the books of the company. They did not work together. So what books would they be doing together? Because they did not work for the same company. She worked with Baba Ntini and Ma Mthethwa worked at her company. That's why they became friends, because she never thought that this girl was dating Baba Ntini. She just liked the girl. You know, the young girl that worked at her husband's office. She was there for something at 6 o'clock in the morning. And Tina Bondaba, we're trying to find out, because nobody visits somebody at 6 o'clock in the morning. You are not about, unless you're Umkhonto, Kumula or something. Always okuza. You know when you're doing the traditional wedding, ukhuza umntwana, bebe ukhuza umntwana. Kusho ukuthi uMama Mthethwa wayeyokhuza umntwana kaKhumalo ekuseni. Ngoba phela when you do a traditional wedding niyavuka ekuseni nihambe niyokhuza umntwana. Kusho ukuthi wayeyokhuza umntwana kaKhumalo uMama Mthethwa. Noma ke futhi like mangabe when a girl falls pregnant, usually iy'ntombi ziyavuka ekuseni ziyogeza. Kusho ukuthi naye wayekhulelwe yogeza. Kusho ukuthi kaMa Khumalo isemfuleni, and uMama Mthethwa wayekhulelwe yogeza emfuleni. Ngoba phela those are the things ezenziwa ekuseni. Or yibhasi, kaMa Khumalo ibhasi and ekuseni ngoba phela abantu abavuka ekuseni bavuke ngo-4 bayogibela ibhasi ekuseni, futhi kaMakhumalo isebhasini. And uMamthethwa wayevuka ekuseni eyogibela ibhasi kaMakhumalo, futhi kaMakhumalo isebhasini. Wayogibela ibhasi lika-6. Ngoba phela ngempela kwenziwani ngo-6? Wayogibela ibhasi lika-6 noma kaMakhumalo isejimini wayojima. Futhi wayojima kaMakhumalo ngo-6 ekuseni. Wayojima ngo-6 ekuseni ngoba phela ngempela kwenziwani ngo-6? Yini enye futhi eyenziwa ngo-6 ekuseni? Angazi noma kuyathandazwa, wayothandaza ngo-6 ekuseni. Khona inkonzo yango-6. Angazi nami guys wayenza ngo-6, kodwa nje ukuthi wayovakasha ngo-6. Cha. Ziningi izinto ezenziwa ngo-6, kodwa nje wayobhabhadiswa ngo-6. Wayobhabhadiswa ngo-6 ekuseni, kodwa nje yokuvakasha nje angini. Ngo-6 ekuseni ziningi izinto ezenziwa ngo-6 ekuseni, kodwa nje ukuvakasha, it's not one of them. So mhlawumbe wayobhabhadiswa kaMakhumalo ngo-6 ekuseni, kodwa nje yabo nje zonke lezo ziyangena ngo-6 ekuseni. Kodwa leyo ukuthi wayovakasha, she came and visit. Ngathi ngabona ngiphaphama ukuthi umuntu esizokuvakashela ngo-6. Hayi. Anyway, you guys, yes, I wanted to clarify the books situation. It cannot be that they were doing the books together, because they did not work together. No, because they were not Makhumalo and Macele. They were not Umdlalo Lodge. By the way, they still have Umdlalo Lodge, as far as I remember. Yes.